Gentle morning, hear the whispers of water flowing in silence, adrift with no bother. Late afternoon, sun's getting softer. Maybe I'll find it in the warmth of October. Ooh, it's 2:45, laying in grass, it's just you and me now. Oh, the river runs free, no rush today, we can just let it be. Ooh, it's 2:45, feeling the breeze on me, feeling the breeze on me. So take it easy, take it slow.